Hey guys, it's that time of year again where everybody gets their allergies and it just sucks and you can't breathe and you got all the you know what I mean? I am going to take this as an opportunity to show you guys what my routine is for when I'm not feeling well. After I had some dinner, I took some Mucinex, used some nasal spray, and I feel like you can tell that I'm like not as swollen as I was before. And my husband, he was taking such good care of me. He was doing like heat compresses and cold compresses, and I got a ice pack. And so that's what I do when I don't feel well, when I'm sick. Thanks for watching.